Installing a system board assembly. Before replacing the components now shown on screen, check the heatsink type of the system to be serviced. If it is a liquid-assisted cooling module, you will need a module handle. Align the system I/O board with the connector on the processor board, and then use both hands to push the system I/O board down so that it is slightly inserted into the connector. Hold the lift handle and the release pin at the same time to lower the system board assembly into the chassis. Slide the system board assembly to the rear of the server until the system board assembly snaps into position. Install the power supplies. If you are installing a new system I/O board, install the firmware and ROT module on the new system I/O board. Reconnect all the cables to the system board. Install the top cover.